in 2018 in the Radio Music Hours in the Musicians category. In 2016 at the UCA Kids' Choice Awards as Nala Cat. And in 2015 in the Australian edition of the aforementioned award, competing for the Ike Ferret Animal Statuette. This mixed-breed feline, Scottish fold, has stolen the hearts of Taylor and millions of followers on social media. Olivia has two siblings, Meredith Grey, named after Grey's Anatomy, and Benjamin Button. But Olivia stands out because of her personality and her bank account. Subscribe to learn more about millionaire pets.